Think about the last time you tried to put together a complicated piece of furniture using a dense paper manual. You probably got frustrated, put the paper down, and pulled out your phone to watch someone do it instead. For decades, the internet operated like a massive, overflowing library. If you needed an answer, you had to sift through pages and pages of heavy text, which could often be repetitive or overly theoretical. YouTube operates differently. It acts like a global workshop. It is filled with real-world demonstrations, physical context, and actual human experience. The artificial intelligence engines that answer our questions today have figured this out. They are moving away from traditional text articles to find better, clearer answers. This bar chart compares where AI platforms pull their video information from. YouTube is cited 200 times more often than any other video platform, dwarfing platforms like Vimeo and TikTok. These systems are actively hunting for human experience. The way information is discovered online has shifted away from scanning static pages to analyzing real-world demonstrations. But this creates a mechanical problem. How does a piece of software, which has no eyes and lives on a server, learn exactly how to fix a leaky sink from a video? AI models don't watch a video, they read it. Every time a person speaks, the transcript translates their speech into clean, structured text data. Add timestamps and chapter markers, and you break a long video down into chronological blocks of specific, searchable answers. This structured data is exactly what platforms like Google AI Overviews and Perplexity rely on to write their responses. To an artificial intelligence, a YouTube upload is a structured document of human expertise. We are used to measuring a video's success by how many millions of views or subscribers it has, but those metrics do not matter to an AI model. Over 40% of YouTube videos currently cited by AI platforms have fewer than 1,000 human views. Switch the data to channel subscriber counts, and the correlation between the size of a channel's audience and its AI citation rate is effectively zero. The machine cannot click a catchy thumbnail or feel the pacing of a video edit. It prioritizes specific technical information, rewarding videos that provide the deepest, most detailed answers. This means a solo specialist filming a tutorial in their garage can earn more visibility than a billion-dollar brand. If the specialist provides more structured data and technical depth than their transcript, the AI views them as the authoritative source for that topic. If you want these systems to pull information from your videos, you have to build your content with the machine in mind. You have to write long, highly detailed video descriptions. This gives the AI the context it needs to understand your transcript. This diagram compares two approaches. The data shows that the length of your description has the single strongest correlation with earning an AI citation. You also have to say your product or brand name out loud during the video. If you only show a product sitting on a desk or wear a logo on your shirt, the AI has no idea it is there. Visuals do not appear in a text transcript. Clear, natural spoken language and thorough background text have replaced the old tactic of stuffing web pages with keywords. This shift changes the value of influencer marketing and creator partnerships for businesses. AI systems ignore standard pre-roll commercials, but they ingest and read the organic mentions spoken by the creator during the actual video. Here you can see the difference. A traditional billboard ad on the left is easily scrolled past. But on the right, when a creator specifically explains how to use your product to solve a problem, that sponsorship becomes a long-term, citable search asset. YouTube teaches AI systems exactly who you are, what you do, and provides the structured evidence they need to cite you as the expert.